Welcome to this quick demonstration on the MAGICKEY OH1525 ionizer, and that brings the hydrogen really high and the water alkaline. We measured the water. It was very acid, 6.0, which is very bad for global health. So we're going to put the stick in the water. Before using it, when you buy it, it's important to rinse it and follow the instructions that come with the stick. The stick is made of stainless steel 304. You put it in the water and you gotta twirl it for at least 1 to 2 minutes for a glass. In this demonstration, we're gonna do about 1 minute 10 seconds. So completely turning it, the water will be processed by the types of tourmaline and different stones inside that will bring the water alkaline to about 8.5, 8.6, which you're gonna see in this demonstration. One thing that it's important, this water also does the ORP factor, which is a negative factor. When you negative in the sense it is good. What it does is the more the ORP is negative, the more it has antioxidants inside the water, so which is very good for when you get older and everything. So it brings the water to a high nutriments as far as the quality of the water. So we're twirling it. We're almost done here in the demonstration. What's important to know is use only the original MAGICKEY Technique stick. A lot of copies are out there, don't worry. Here we're gonna remeasure, and you're gonna see the pH level will be about 8.5, 8.6, which is excellent for your health. Excellent to stop anything as far as illness, and will give you a great long life. This water is the best to drink every day because we know the waters from the city are very acid. If you want to live long and healthy, thanks to the water with MAGICKEY Technique,